boy, have I got the best way for you. This is going to make life a lot easier for you. There's one way and one way only, okay? And it involves 2 steps. Here's what I want you to do. How many of these people do you think there are? Like if you had to take a guess, how many are we talking here? Hundreds? 10?
Yeah, I probably have in excess of 100 like that right
Love it. We're gonna make some money this week. All right, so here's what you're gonna do. The first thing that you're gonna do, step number 1, you are going to get I think there was a dog, I'm not sure, maybe there wasn't a dog. Was there a dog? Marty McFly, you're gonna skateboard, there was at least a skateboard. You're gonna get your skateboard, you're gonna hop in the DeLorean, and you're gonna go back in time to the 45 days ago that they originally filled out the lead request form. And we are going to speak nothing of the 45 days that has passed. I'm giving you permission to go, I'm traveling back in time. And you're going to call them as if they had just filled out a lead request form 14 minutes ago. Here's why. The minute we reference time that has passed is the exact minute the prospect believes or inserts a reason for not doing something other than they're a lazy ass when that time has passed. So if I go, man, it's been, I know it's been 3 months since you reached out to us, you immediately, reflexively have to go, there must have been a problem with that company. No, it wasn't. I was lazy, right? So first thing, get in the DeLorean, have your attitude, I don't give a crap. 45 days old, don't give a crap. 120 days old, don't give a crap. Week old, don't give a crap. Now the next thing you're going to do, part number 2, is you're going to call them with a high degree of authority and a high degree of credibility. You don't even have to give them an insight because it's inbound lead. And you're going to call them and go, hey, Mark, Matt Easton over here at Easton University, wanted to reach out to you personally, make sure my people got you all the information you needed on our whatever it is that you're selling. Thank you. My pleasure. What can I get you information on? Boom, you're right back in the thing. Then you're going to have a NOS, a net outcome statement. Okay, the net outcome statement is the benefit that they're going to get from working with you. So if they go, I'm all good, we selected somebody, no problem, I'll be here. What's the outcome of working with you? Of the product or solution or service that you sell? What's the outcome that they get?
What it is, most of it involves annuities, and a lot of it is income planning. People are looking for retirement, guaranteed retirement income.
Perfect. Hey, we went with somebody, my husband actually ended up, he was on hold for 7 hours, but then he got a hold of somebody over there at Schwab, and I think we took care of everything in the portal. Awesome, great news. I will be here when you need to minimize the risk that you have while maximizing the return with still having, fixed income for the future. Fair enough? Oh, okay, great, thanks. Hand grenade, boop, I just left them with my net outcome statement. Thus, now I can put that in a sustainable pipeline and call them back in 6 months and go, hey, there's something going on that everybody that's approaching retirement's having to deal with. Nobody's talking about it. I wanted to make sure you were aware of it. And then you're going to have an insight for that. But step 1 and 2 with these old leads is, number 1, I don't care how much time has passed. Step number 2 is you're just going to reach out to them personally. I wanted to reach out to you personally. And then if they're a jerk and they're like, well, nobody contacted me, just go, I'm glad I called you. What can I get you information on? Right? We're not going, well, who did you speak with? And I'm looking in the system and you were given 14 emails. I'm glad I called you. What can I get you information on? Right? And you're just right in the groove there. There's 5 deals. If you got 100 of these, there's 5 deals in there that you can find this week just by doing that. Cool, calm, confident. And your voicemail is the same as when they answer. Hey, Stacy, Matt Easton over here at Easton Wealth Advisors wanted to reach out to you personally, make sure my people got you all the information you needed on our asset planning and fixed blah-bitty-blah, right, whatever it is. I've only worked for your company here for 18 seconds, so I'm doing my best. There you go. I'm not sure if it's for you, but if you work in sales and you absolutely positively have to double or triple the amount of money you're making in order to truly enjoy your life, click the link here. My name's Matt Easton. I'm the founder of Easton University. It's the most effective sales coaching in the world. Click the link here. Check it out. You're going to see we'll give you access to an on-demand learning portal that's going to give you video coaching with me on everything you need to know to double or triple your income, or even more. Everything from prospecting to closing to handling objections and complaints to building your personal network and self-confidence, but it doesn't stop there. Click the link here. You're going to see that when you get a membership to Easton University, you're also going to have the ability to do live coaching with me twice a week. You can ask me any questions. We can work through anything you're struggling with. I will be there with you every step of the way to help you double your income in sales right now. Click the link now. You're going to see we've helped thousands of people just like you, and we have the video testimonials from them to prove it. Easton University is more than a learning portal. It's more than live coaching with me. It's your future, and you and your future are worth it. Click the link now. I'll see you at Easton University.